Hello and welcome to this quick start video on the Benro Polaris Smart Tripod Head. In this video, you will learn the basic principles to get your Benro Polaris up and running. If your Polaris is already set up, please see our other videos on how to use the app, as well as more information on the astrophotography function or astro mode. First, you should fully charge your Polaris. This will ensure that firmware updates can be performed. Use the provided USB-C charging cable to charge the Polaris. The charging port is located on the base of the Polaris head. While charging, Polaris will display a solid green light. Once fully charged, Polaris will blink green. While charging, please download the Benro Polaris app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, grab your tripod. Your tripod legs will most likely have a 3/8 inch mount, but a 1/4 20-inch adapter bushing is provided as well. Screw the Polaris head onto a set of tripod legs. You can also mount the Polaris to an Arca-style clamp as well. Try to level the tripod as much as possible by adjusting the legs or leveling base. Next, place the provided Arca Swiss-style quick release plate onto the base of your camera or lens. While balance doesn't need to be perfect, be sure to insert your camera's battery, memory cards, or anything that will add significant weight before mounting your camera. Once the plate is secured onto the camera, place the camera and plate onto the Polaris, ensuring it is centered and balanced, and tighten the knob. Connect the appropriate USB cable from the Polaris to your camera. Insert a micro SD card into your Polaris and, if applicable, a cellular SIM card. Your Benro Polaris will start in the collapsed position. In order to get the Polaris out of this position, you will need to press the power button one time quickly and a second time immediately after for 2 seconds. Open the app on your phone and allow access to photos. Connect the Benro Polaris created Wi-Fi network by tapping on the unit on the left side and pressing Join. Determine if you'd like to create a password or skip. Press the Home button in the lower right corner. Press the gear icon on the home screen. Format SD card by pressing Format SD card. Next, check for firmware updates by pressing Upgrade. Once done, return to the home screen. Select your Polaris model to enter the interface. Power on your camera and enter your preferred shooting mode, such as manual or aperture priority. Review tips and clear startup notifications. If the live view does not show, please ensure your camera is in PC Connect mode. Double tap both virtual joysticks to level the Polaris head. Once flat, double check that the Polaris head is level. Use the Polaris app to enter the various shooting modes by pressing the camera icon on the top right corner. Enjoy shooting panoramas, time lapses, path lapses, and more. Check out our other Polaris videos for information on astro mode and more.